let's head over to Recruitment Module. Click Recruit on the navigation bar. Here you can see job posts, talent pool, and companies, along with stage templates under workflow. We will go to stage template first. Here you can set up your recruitment process for different roles. You can see a default one in the system. You can see the stages inside it, the jobs that are currently active with this workflow. Let's create a new one for the role we will be posting. We will name it Engineering Department. The first step would be a screening call. Second would be technical round. Third would be in review and then case study followed by final round. You can also assign different colors to different departments for your convenience. We can also assign stage owner for each stage who will be responsible for that, and set up email templates to trigger automatically once someone enters this stage. Once you are satisfied, you can press the button on top right to create this stage. You can see that a new stage template is now created. Now let's head over to Job Posts page to see how it works. On the job post page, you can see the current job openings, job category, company if you have multiple subsidiaries, candidates that have applied, job owners, and status, which you can change. You can also edit this job post, view candidates for this. Go to the public link where people can apply and press more for additional actions. You can download this job description in PDF to email, download a creative poster to share on social media and WhatsApp, archive or duplicate this job with one click. Let's create a new job to understand job creation flow. Press Create New and you can see the company drop down. Let's hire a front-end developer. The job category would be IT. Subcategory would be software development. You can assign a job owner to tag this to certain member of a team. The job stage template would be engineering that we just created. We will write a brief introduction for the job role. You can use this space to introduce the job and your company to potential candidates. After introduction, you have to enter job descriptions or key responsibilities. If you want, we can generate it using AI easily, which will draft this for you to edit and approve and save you a lot of time. Then we add qualifications required by the candidate. Then we add the benefits provided by the company and the closing statement with alternative options to apply. Now we reach the additional information section where you decide if the role is remote or on-site. Let's make it hybrid. Then you see employment type such as full-time, part-time, or internships. The seniority level required for the role, which is entry level in this case. You can choose to hide the salary or mention it on your job post in your desired currency. Let's make the salary range from 10,000 dirhams to 15,000 dirhams per month. You can add different skills to this job openings to make it easier for the candidates to know if they match the criteria. Lastly, you select posting date and expiry date for this job posting, after which applications will no longer be entertained. The next step is where you can toggle what you need from the candidate: their resume, LinkedIn ID, cover letter, and phone number. You can also set up screening questions, same as all other job board, where candidate would need to answer these to complete their application. You can select from a list of default screening questions, such as candidate start date, what is their visa status, and which city they are based in. Or you can create your own questions as well if you please. You can also make these knockout questions, which means they will be automatically knocked out based on the select answering criteria set and save you time while shortlisting. Then we have recruiter assessment, which is internal evaluation of the candidates. You can select preset questions for the job owner, so they can mention the answers for these after reviewing and evaluating the job application from potential candidates. The last step is workflow to automate the hiring process and generate auto emails on certain actions. You can select an email template to send out after candidate applies. This email can of course be personalized and edited as per your wish to have a personalized recruitment experience for the candidates. The same way you can select a template for knockout email, which is sent out the next day, to ensure that candidate does not feel alienated by instant rejection after applying. Now let's head over to the white label job board where you can see all open positions. Click View Job Board to see the company careers page. This will lead you to your own custom URL for the job board and have your company name, number of employees, industry, and a brief introduction. The potential candidates can see all open positions below this and filter them by department, job type, whether it's remote or hybrid, employment type like full-time, part-time, or internship, and select any specific subsidiary they are applying for. Click the first job opening. This will open the recently created front-end developer position. As you can see, all the details we entered on the portal are here, and you can see the tasks, requirements and benefits, skills required, and other open positions below. On your right, the candidates can apply by filling the form fields required by the job. They can also enter their email to apply later or share this job by copying link, sharing on WhatsApp or LinkedIn directly from here, emailing this to someone they know. Once they apply, they will be shown here in your admin portal. Let's click the opening and see new applicants. You can see the inbox view here to view the job application. You can see their profile, which includes their answers to the form fields we selected. You can switch tabs to see the answers to the screening questions required for the job application. You can move on to the next tab, Recruiter Assessment, which the job owner needs to answer as part of candidate evaluation. You can select status if you want to move them between stages. You have notes on the right for internal team, and you can enter reminders here as well. You can add Amy to talent pool as well to add them to your database for any future hirings. You can also switch to Kanban view, where you can see the candidates in different stages that we created before job posting. You can just as easily move them through stages as well. Just click and drag the card to the next stage. This will trigger the emails configured on this stage in workflow and notify the candidate as well if it is set up. As you saw, it is very simple to move the cards, allowing you to make your recruitment seamless and quicker.